What's going on, everybody? Joe here with JM Productions and JM Photography and Media. And today, we're going to be taking a look at how to customize our YouTube channel by changing our channel art. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright everybody, so here we are on my YouTube channel, and what we're going to be looking at today is how to edit our channel art on our YouTube channel. So our channel art is this picture at the top that goes across the top of the screen, and it's very easy to customize. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and go to this blue box that says Customize Channel and give that a click. And once we do that, that's going to bring us into the part where we can edit all of the different portions of our YouTube channel. Alright, so in order to change our channel art, we're just going to move our mouse up to the channel art at the top, and then you'll notice in the top right corner there's a pencil icon. And that pencil icon is going to go ahead and allow us to edit the different elements within our channel art. So the first link that's available is a button that says Edit Links. And what that's going to allow us to do is change the Instagram and Facebook links that I have right here. It allows you to edit what's going to be showing here. We're not going to cover that in this tutorial because I've already made a video for that, but I'll go ahead and leave that link in the description. And then the second option that we have is to edit channel art. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Channel Art, and when I do that, this white box pops up. Alright. So before we select our photo, I want to cover one thing real quick. In the bottom right portion of this white box, it says Recommended Channel Art Size, and it says Max File Size. Okay. So the recommended channel art size for the photos to be used in the channel art, they recommend 2,560 pixels by 1,440 pixels, and they also recommend a maximum file size of 6 megabytes. So keep that in mind if you're going to make your own pictures, your own logos, anything like that in Photoshop or whatever program you choose to use. Make sure you follow these recommended guidelines. And if you have any questions about more specific details within those recommended guidelines, there's this blue link at the bottom that says How to Create Channel Art. So I'm going to go ahead and click that and show everybody real quick. And what you'll see is they have a bunch of different links at the top. They have a help center in the community, and then they also have all these different links for how to customize your channel. And then additionally, for creating or editing your channel art, they have all of this good information. They have a video on how to change it. They have the banner template and size guidelines, which is important because this will show you the minimum dimension, the minimum saved area, all this information. And then they also have the channel art template and how to resize images. Okay, so all of this information is available if you just click that little blue link. Once again, I'll show you real quick that says How to Create Channel Art. Alright. So now once you've created your photo, your banner, or whatever you want to put in your channel art section, there's 3 different ways you can go about it. The first way, at the top here, it says Upload Photos. So what you can do is you can open the folder on your computer and you can drag it right here where it says Drag a Photo Here, or you can click this blue box that says Select a Photo from your computer. And what that's going to allow you to do is open up the files in your computer and select the image you'd like to input into your channel art. Okay? Then we have a Your Photos section, which I'll show you here in a second, and that allows you to select certain photos that you've already used but you want to reselect to use for your channel art. And then we also have a gallery icon right here, and if I click that link, that's going to pop up with some photos that are already here in YouTube's selection for channel. Okay? So I click Your Photos, and what I'm going to use is this picture right here. This is a logo that I created. I'm going to go ahead and select that picture, and then I'm going to go ahead and select it one more time. And what you'll see is these 3 different layouts of what the formats will look like. So just to throw another tip out there, if you use the Upload Photos function, this will also pop up once you select that photo. So it's going to be the same exact thing if you use the Uploaded Photos or Your Photos in Gallery. So it'll actually show you the preview of the 3 different formats for what your channel art will look like on your YouTube channel. So right here it shows the desktop. This is what that channel art will look like. Same thing with the TV. And then also if you're using it from a mobile device like a cell phone. Alright. And then you have a button right here that says Adjust the Crop. And what that allows you to do is that it allows you to move the picture around so you can adjust the cropping to just the right portion so that what's in this darker colored box will show up on your channel art. right? And then you can click Devices Preview to go back and see if you like the cropping. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click Select, and that should finalize my selection for the channel art, and then we'll see what happens. So now you see it says saving, and it just said save. So now what you'll see is my channel art with my new logo has loaded. So what I'm going to do is go to the left hand side where it says My Channel and give that a click. And now what you'll see is my channel art has loaded onto my YouTube page. Alright everybody, so that concludes our quick tutorial on how to customize our YouTube channel by changing our channel art. If you got good value out of this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It'll really help us out. And also, if you have any questions or comments, please stop by that comment section and let us know what you think. As always, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. I'm Joe with JM Productions and JM Photography and Media. We'll see you next time.